Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from thewindowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you a new product we have here for spring 2018. Just came in yesterday. It is the Black Knight water-fed pole. This is the Black Knight 39. The actual length of the pole is 39 feet. That gives you about a 42 to 44, maybe even 45 foot reach depending on how tall the operator is. It's a very nice pole, very rigid. And quite light for a 39 foot pole. The pole itself weighs about 5.5 pounds. Add a gooseneck and a brush, that'll add about another pound. It is capable of having extensions put on it, 10 feet at a time, 10-foot telescopic extensions. So you could easily take this up to a 49 or 59 foot pole. It's got some pretty nice clamps on there. They're bolted on clamps, they're not glued on clamps, and the adjusters are on the back there. Pretty simple dials to use. The pole sections slide out quite nice, and the texture on the outside of the carbon fiber section is quite similar to Gardner or the Tucker carbon poles that you see out there. Really nice. I don't know, I see good things with this Black Knight pole. It's brand new, like I say, for 2018. And yeah, we'll check it out at windowcleaningstore.com. I just want to show you here the top clamp opens up, and that's where the gooseneck will go into. Just slides in there. You can have the pole running inside, the pole hose running inside, or you can have it on the outside, depending on your preference. On the end of the pole tip, or the angle adapter, has an opening where the hose would come from. And we were pairing this up at the window cleaning store with the Elite 14-inch dual trim 4 pencil jetted brush. I think this is a pretty winning combination. Check it out at thewindowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.